In front of me is Itel S24 and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Users and Accounts. Then hit the gear next to Google, tap on Google Password Manager and select the password you wish to edit. Enter your screen lock, use Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!